Today, I want to share with you something very crucial to your business. As the saying goes, a business will be out of business without a lead generation process. As mentioned before, without leads, you do not have potential customer. Without potential prospect, you do not have customer or sales. But before that, all marketers and businesses have to understand that in this world, there are two kinds of leads. Marketing qualified leads, short form MQL, or sales qualified leads, short form SQL. A marketing qualified lead is lead whom has been deemed more likely to become a customer. What is sales qualified leads? A sales qualified leads, right, means that this lead is ready for the sales team of your company to get in contact to close the sales. Marketing qualified leads, right, usually require nurturing process. Like after you acquire this lead, you need email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, for example, to turn them into a sales qualified leads. In essence, right, marketing qualified leads, right, should be thought of, I want as much as possible, which is quantity. While sales qualified leads, right, is more about, I want the quality of the lead so that I can close the lead. For instance, right, if your website only asks for email in exchange for newsletter, the email you receive, right, is called marketing qualified leads because this lead is not ready to buy yet. Marketing qualified leads usually require nurturing process. Like just now I mentioned, email marketing, SMS marketing, or WhatsApp marketing to turn them into a sales qualified leads. On the other hand, if today people go to a landing page where they have to fill our name, email, contact number, some other details that qualify them as a ready prospect. Once this lead you receive, right, is called sales qualified leads. Yes, everybody, including me, I love sales qualified leads more than marketing qualified leads. But why do people still go for marketing qualified leads? The reason being, leads are getting more and more expensive. As more and more businesses are doing digital marketing, on the average, right, a sales qualified leads, right, can cost 10 times or more than a marketing qualified leads. Therefore, the best practice for a business is, while you are doing marketing for sales qualified leads, also market for marketing qualified leads. End of the day, what you want is constant flow of leads for your business. In conclusion, like I mentioned, there are two kinds of leads. One is called MQL, marketing qualified leads. The other one, SQL, sales qualified leads. And I hope this video helped you in your lead generation process. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment. I see you at the next video.